ठीक है जी।
Okay. Now, what we are doing is we are setting up company. Okay. This will be
हम्म।
a mother company, and this mother company will be at the top of a group of the companies. And under that, there will be an operating company. That operating company will have plant, sales org, location, storage location, and
ओके।
purchase org,
परचेज और ओके।
distribution centers,
सेंटर्स। ओके।
sales area, sales offices, and
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल्स भी होते हैं।
yes, that this is the same. Distribution
ओके।
centers, personal
हम्म।
areas, this for HCM, and personal sub areas, which is factory and offices. So personal areas are geographical locations,
एंड
geolocation,
HCM वुड बी
human capital management, HR.
ह्यूमन कैपिटल। ओके। ओके।
Okay. Now, this company in SAP will be operating concern,
हम्म।
and under this, we will have controlling area.
ओके।
Controlling area is for product costing, uh,
ओके।
profit center accounting,
ओके।
cost center accounting,
हम्म।
product costing, profit center accounting, cost center accounting, and cost planning. And of course, all of this will be, uh, just a second, let me copy this to a notepad.
ओके।
Okay, now this will be under controlling area. We will have an operating company, which is company code, and plant,
ओके।
log location. This is logistics and MM. This is SD. This is MM. This is also MM. Purchase org is also MM. Distribution center is also MM. Sales area, sales
हम्म।
SD. Personal area, this is HCM.
ओके।
Controlling area will have its own currency, USD. Company code will have its own currency in AED. So
ओके।
company code cannot move or span across another country. So if a country is changing, then of course company code will also change. Profits
ओके।
profit centers can be your products or geolocations like retail stores, or it can be for seasons, verticals, business verticals. And above this, on top is segments for segment reporting. So in SAP, when we talk about controlling area and company code, the only thing that connects these two are two elements, which are chart of accounts plus fiscal year variant posting thing. Okay. And if you want multiple company codes to report to controlling area, this is dictated by controlling area. The company codes must have the same chart of accounts and fiscal year variant. So let's go and check our
Fiscal year variants means the year ending titles.
uh the posting a fiscal year like January, December, July to June, April
Okay,
to March.
okay. So these variants will be called fiscal year variants.
Yes.
Okay, okay. And they should be one for controlling area.
Yes. Chart of accounts and fiscal year should be different. It should be the same. Okay.
Okay,
Now SPRO. So where do we start with our we start with company. For
company.
that, we have the enterprise structure for constructing the whole structure, definition,
Okay.
financial accounting, and company.
Hmm. Okay. So can we see the transaction names as well? If we
Yes, yes.
can enable
Transaction
them in
names,
the settings. Yes.
transaction names are displayed over here.
Okay. Okay. SPRO is the transaction name. Okay.
Yes.
Great.
From here we can see how it is, what T code is being used over here. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
over here, we can create our own company as our
Okay.
company is what is our company name that we're using?
I think O OOGL, I think.
OGL, okay. OGL. So we'll make a country AE, OGL, Orient Group, Orient Overseas Group.
Orient Overseas Group. Okay.
Right, right, right. Copy, language is English, and GBP, mother companies.
I think we decided USD.
USD is for controlling.
Okay.
USD,
And so this is the local company?
this is a group of companies. It can be anywhere.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Our company is defined.
Mm-hmm.
Edit, copy, delete company code data, and we can edit company code data and new entries.
Okay.
And from here, we can create our company code.
Hmm.
For example, I'll just go for WOGL or Orient Overseas Global. And we have this company code we've already made, the city,
Hmm.
country, and the language. This is intact. Next is that we can copy this company code, copy organization object. WOGL, we can create another for WOSA or SL. This is, do you want to copy the GL account? Yes, because this is sister company. Yes. Controlling area assigned to company code. Do you want to copy the assignment? Yes. Do you want to allocate different local currency? Yes.
Okay.
SAR, continue. That will be Saudi Riyal.
Okay.
And
Okay.
continue. So
Okay.
we can continue. We can copy details from one company to
One
another.
question is here when we are copying any object, so the object is being copied at the header level, na? Not the transactions or
No,
the
no,
rows
not
would be
transactions.
copied.
Not transactions.
Okay. Okay. Only the headers.
Only headers.
Okay.
Transactions
Okay.
come later. It will copy the number ranges for documents for fiscal years. Everything will be copied here.
Okay.
Okay, copy company code OWGL to WOSL.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay, it has been copied. We can go to EC01 and
Mm-hmm.
more organizational structure, organizational object, or organizational structure, display, manual, not manual, organizational structure, display, navigation. Sorry, yeah, navigation. Navigation.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, over here, Control F, WGL,
Mm-hmm.
and we have WGL over Orient Overseas Global. I'll double click it, and we have the setup, the structure for the company. Okay, and under
Mm.
this
And now
control,
we have double OSL.
yeah, we have uh under controlling area we have WGL and WSL, and the plant is not copied, so we'll have to make a plant and other aspects also. So this is how the structure is basically constructed.
Mm.
Okay, so
Okay.
next is Piano, Piano,
Mm.
enterprise structure, definition, logistics, valuation level and plant are the same thing. Plant, define plant.
Mm.
Okay, over here, make inventories, WSL, Orient, Saudi Group, WSL, county code, city code, factory calendar, we don't need that. Save, AE, we'll just take AE right now and change it later on.
Mm-hmm. Going through the compulsory options.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
What is done? Location, we can define the location for this.
Mm-hmm.
New entries, WSL, Sharjah, WSL,
Okay.
AE, save, and save. So let's stop over here for today. So you can actually configure it.